Hey, John Crestani here, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to start and grow a Facebook group. Now, you may have seen in the news or in ads or if you're anywhere in the world using Facebook, you see that Facebook's really pushing groups out now to its like 2.5 billion users. So groups are becoming a much bigger thing, and starting a group right now is the best time to start it because there's so much press around groups, and Facebook is really pushing groups up in the algorithm. And I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can grow a Facebook group, how you can engage with your audience better to really make your Facebook group kind of a central location and turn it into a community. And lastly, how to monetize. And Facebook groups are incredibly easy to monetize if you just know how, and I'll be showing you each of these 3 steps with some examples on my computer. So stay tuned, take notes, get prepared for some good, sweet knowledge. Okay, that money is for the money that you'll be making with Facebook groups. I have friends who have multi-million-dollar businesses actually based off of their Facebook group. And in fact, I'm going to show you one of my friends right here who has a very large Facebook group around Facebook ads, right? We're all marketers. So check this out. I'm going to go to Facebook here. My friend's group is called the Facebook Ad Buyers, and it's run by my friend Tim Bird. He has almost 100,000 members right here. Really cool. But there are groups for everything, people. I mean, folks, look at this, local business Facebook ad buyers, that's 14,000 members. You have Facebook ad hacks, 127,000 members. This is just for people buying ads on Facebook and agency owners. Now, the average person doing Facebook ads makes over 6 figures a year. How valuable would it be to have an audience of 100,000 people or 127,000 people that all earn over 6 figures a year on average? Let's just do the math here. You have $100,000 per year times 100,000 people. That is the equivalent buying power of, was that $10 billion? Okay, so that's a lot of buying power right there. $10 billion is concentrated in this group. You have very easy ways to monetize it because you can go after such niche audiences. Now, here in Facebook Ad Buyers, you'll see he grew this group and he keeps it very engaged. Now, we'll be going all over all of the 3 steps, grow, engage, monetize, in just a second here. So my friend Tim Bird, he throws mastermind events teaching people advanced tactics for Facebook ad buying. And as you see, this is his London mastermind. He's saying, let me double your profit in just a few days. Yes, for real. Keep in mind, these are all people that make, on average, somewhere in the range of 6 figures per year. And he's charging $6,000 for a mastermind. So I've been to some of his masterminds before. They're attended by anywhere from 50 to 100 people. So if you do the math, each event, he's making maybe $300,000 teaching people advanced Facebook ad tactics. You can grow a very big business. You can find a lot of targeting golden niches all over the place. There's so many opportunities, and I'm going to be showing you those opportunities on the whiteboard, how to do that. Let's get into it. So one of the first ways to grow your Facebook group is make joining it a step-by-step process, an A to B to C to D process. Now, for instance, if you're having people sign up for an email list, or if you're having people register for a web page or click on a link, you can ask them to do things in a sequential order. You could say, click on this link to watch the free training webinar. To get access to the free training webinar, click this link. And then you redirect them, or you could tell them, join my Facebook group to get the link to access the webinar. So you take them from your web page and you have them go to the next page where they join your Facebook group. And once they join your Facebook group, you could have the top post in your Facebook group say, here's the link to your free training. Okay, there's a million things you could do. Or you could say, hey, go to my free training. After you register for this training, you could send them an email and you could say, join my Facebook group. Or another way you could do it is you could say, if you would like a free report or a free case study on how to, lose more weight, join my Facebook group and I will share in my Facebook group the freebie. You can do a lot of things to incentivize people, but make it as part of a flow, okay? If people sign up for your email list, after they sign up for your email list, tell them to join your Facebook group next, okay? After they join your Facebook group, tell them to join your YouTube channel. After they join your YouTube channel, the first video on your YouTube channel could tell them to join your Instagram. So you can ferry people around, and an omni-channel marketing approach is what's working in 2020. It is where marketing is going. So moving people through a step-by-step process to get on your social media mediums is a great way to do this. Don't let your sign-up flow go to waste. Another way you could get people to join your Facebook group or to grow it is just put up a link in your signature, okay? Everybody here is probably sending out emails. If anybody here does not send out emails, please let me know. You are a freak of nature. I would like to meet you. You are weird. Put links in your signature so that people can join your Facebook group. Okay, very easy. Another way you could help grow your Facebook group is use short links, okay? So shorten the link to join your Facebook group because generally speaking, the links are long. Make a short link so that it's convenient for people to click on and view and for you to post everywhere. If you have an Instagram profile, if you have a Twitter profile, if you have a YouTube channel, make sure all of your social mediums are using your links and linking back to your Facebook group so that you can actually get people from all of your social mediums back into your Facebook group. And the last method to grow is feature members from your Facebook group, feature them in other mediums. So if you have an email newsletter, feature them in your newsletter. Say, hey, shout out to, whatever member, Bessie Ann, and link back to your group then on your Instagram profile or your Twitter or your YouTube channel or your Snapchat or your Pinterest or your blog, etc. You can feature members from your Facebook group all over the place, and that adds another way to get people to go back to your group and engage there. So one way to get people to engage in your group is promote people to moderators or administrators of your group. The people who are the most active, really highlight them, give them more power, and takes less work off of your plate and makes somebody in a more important role. You created the group, let other people run it. So that's a really great way. And your admin or your moderator or whoever your most engaged people are, they will help grow the group as well. Other methods you can create engagement in the group is, you could do a poll, and this could be great market research for you. You could start a debate between members or about a specific topic. Other things you can do are you could actually post up special behind the scenes content for members. People who are in your group get to see special previews of content that maybe you come out with in your business. And last but not least is you could do live streams. And live streams are a highly effective way of getting people really engaged and excited about what you're doing. We're at monetize. Now, monetization is a great way. I showed you one example of how my friend Tim Bird is monetizing his Facebook group and making anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000 for a weekend event from his members. He has so many members now, it's pretty crazy. Now, ways you could monetize it is you could use it to launch, build up hype to launch products, okay? Or launch new offerings of whatever your company does, or launch new affiliate products. You could create resource guides with bunches of affiliate links. Let's say you are running a weight loss group. Your pinned post, you could actually feature, 27 products to help you lose weight, and you could list out a bunch of products, or exercise equipment or whatnot, and you could use affiliate links in there. So resource guides. And I'm a big fan of resource guides because you can get people buying many products instead of just one product. And the more products you can get people to buy, the more money you make. That's what we're trying to do here. Now, another way you could do it is you could get volunteers, okay? So this doesn't really make you any money, but it saves you money. So you can get volunteers from your group, some of your engaged people, what have you. We have two more things here, so let's go into it. This doesn't make you any money either, but it helps, is you could validate different ideas you have for business, test the market, see if they're interested in getting what you want. Having a group and having a social audience for me has been really useful because I'm constantly able to figure out if my new marketing is going to work or not. And I just ask people, I say, hey, what is your interest in this? Or what are you looking for? I poll people. I ask people questions all the time. And having such a big audience now, it makes it really easy. I don't have to guess anymore. And last but not least is you can build an email list from your Facebook group and send them emails on a daily basis to get them to, just have another point of communication with them to get them to buy more products. So there's a lot of ways you can monetize your audience on Facebook, and growing a group is one of the best ways to do that. Now, if this video has been helpful, let me know in the comments below if this has been helpful, or if you have any questions about Facebook groups, let me know in the comments below. In my description, you can join my Facebook group. It's called Internet Jet Set, and it's all about ways you can make money from your computer. So check that out. I'm promoting my Facebook group right now. And make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and you hit the notification bell so you're updated by YouTube when I come out with future videos. Talk soon. Bye.